Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money watching videos on autopilot. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, this is available worldwide and it's free to start. And all you need is internet connection with a cell phone or a computer. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. Name of this website is Swagbucks. Yes, I have talked about this website before, but it's been a while, but I want to bring it up again because it's one of the best websites that you can start making money right away doing several things on this website. So what I'm going to do is log into my account so you can understand everything you can do on here, plus watch videos to make money. So let me go ahead and log in right now. Okay guys, I'm inside my account. So once you sign up, what you're going to do is go up here where it says more and you're going to click on watch. And it's going to take you to this page right here where it shows all the videos available for you to watch. Now, all you have to do is click on the video and watch it for 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds of watching the video, you will earn swag bucks. Now, this one is 1 swag buck. I know it's not much, but if you watch all of these, it's going to add up, guys. So 30 seconds on all of these, you'll be finished in no time watching these videos for just 30 seconds. And you're going to accumulate a lot of swag bucks to redeem for money. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is show you another way where you can make even more money if you don't want to just watch videos all the time on this website. So what you're going to do is click right here where it says more and click on play. And it's going to take you over to this page here and you can get paid for playing games. All you got to do is click on here, play these games. You don't have to play them alone. And you're going to get 4 swag bucks. And please allow about 5 to 10 minutes for the swag bucks to pop up in your account. So all of these games you can play, guys, and you're going to earn, as you can see, is 4 swag bucks equivalent to $1. So after you get your swag bucks, now you want to redeem it for money or for gift cards. So what you do is just click right here. That's where your account settings are. And you're going to click where it says redeem your swag bucks. And it's going to take you here. It's going to show you everything you can get when you redeem your swag bucks. As you can see here, if you want to get an Apple gift card, you can get one $50. All you need is 5,000 swag bucks. You'll get that in no time. And here's one. All you need is 1,000 swag bucks to get $10 gift card. And they got a Visa card you can get. And they have PayPal. If you want to get $10 PayPal money, all you need is 1,000 swag bucks. And if you want to get an Amazon gift card, all you need is 2,200 swag bucks to get $25 gift card. And as you can see, they have a lot more to offer here if you just don't want PayPal money or Amazon gift card. Now, if you want to make money without watching videos, what I'm going to do is show you how you can refer people and get paid that way. So you're going to go where it says more and click on refer and earn. It's going to take you to this page. And as you can see here, you and your referral get 300 swag buck bonus when your referrer earns 300 swag bucks within their first 30 days. That's a lot of swag bucks, guys, that you can get, and you can redeem that to make some money. So what you're going to do is copy this link right here. This is your individual link. So when somebody clicks on it and sign up with swag bucks and start watching videos or playing games, you're going to get some money once they reach 300 swag bucks. So you get 10% of a lifetime earnings. Now, you probably want to know where you're going to get all these people to click on your link. Well, I'm going to show you a website where you can go and get unlimited amount of people. Thousands and thousands of people will click on your link. So let me go ahead and go to that website right now. Okay, guys, I'm at that website now, and you guessed it, Facebook. So I went ahead and searched under groups, and I looked for Make Money Online Post Affiliate Link. So in this group right here is a public group, and they have 67,000 people here. So once you join, all you got to do is just go in here and put your link. See, like this one, this person right here got their link in there. This person got their link in there. So they don't care if you drop a link in here. There's no penalty or anything for you to just drop links. So guys, if you get even 1% of this 67,000 members to join Swag Bucks, and all of them start watching videos and playing games, man, you can make some good money, guys. Some real good money. So guys, that's it. That's the steps you need to take to make this money watching videos with Swag Bucks. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. That's all I ask, just 50 likes, guys. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this website. And please share this. Share it all over the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to this point. So let me go ahead and share this special bonus with you. All you have to do, guys, is type this that's going to pop up on the screen right now. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances on winning the free money. And I'm going to give out some money to 3 people, guys. 3 people. So please type that down in the comments below, because you might get chosen to win the free money. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and do another shout out. I'm going to try to do this almost every video. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Appreciate it. Hope you subscribe, and please share this video. Okay, guys, that's it. Really appreciate you guys' support. Road to 6,000. Let's get there. Let's go. And one other thing, guys, please check out my membership. I have special perks for people that joins my membership. Click on that button on my channel that says join. It's going to show you all the special perks that you will receive when you become a member. All right, guys, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.